Kiran, going to come to you first to get in a view as to what exactly are going to be, the KRAs for Mr. Peter in terms of what is going to be the immediate priority, what kind of value creation you're trying to achieve with this appointment.
I'd like to start by saying that every one of our individual businesses is at an inflection point of high growth. And we believe that this is an opportunity for us to really create premium growth at a group level. So that is what I think this strategy is about, of bringing someone like Peter in, because at the moment, what is being valued is really individual businesses. But what is not being valued correctly, we believe, is the group value that is brought together by these three businesses. I think Biocon Group is a very unique business entity in the sense that it brings very important complementary businesses under one roof. And it provides every stakeholder a huge value creation opportunity in terms of investment. And we believe as a business, it is also a huge value creating opportunity for us. And bringing in someone like Peter, who actually is not only a veteran when it comes to the pharma and biopharma industry in terms of his global experience, but he is also someone who understands the Biocon group, because he has basically played a very key role in one of the group businesses, which is Syngene. But through that experience, he has also understood the Biocon business very well, because many of the capabilities and competencies that Biocon had was leveraged by Syngene during his time. So he knows what this group synergy is all about. So coming to his mandate, I think Peter is very clear that he's going to focus on making sure that the group strategy reflects the synergistic strategies at the individual levels. So his main focus is going to be to work with the CEOs on their strategies, refine them, and make sure that they are dovetailed extremely well at a group level, so that the group benefits from every one of the businesses.
Right. Kiran, hi, morning. So how do you, say the CEO's work along with the group CEO's position as well now, considering that all three businesses are independent of each other? Can you share some sense on how a group CEO would look to intervene in the existing structure?
So I will start and then Peter can add to it. But I will start by saying that, look, as far as each CEO is concerned, they will work very independently and autonomously. But like I just said, there are many aspects of our businesses which actually have commonality. For example, between the three businesses, we have put in place large capacities, whether it is biomanufacturing, whether it's drug products, both oral dosage and injectables, whether it's small molecule, APIs. These businesses are, in terms of manufacturing scale and capacity, are at global scale. And I think each one of our businesses can and has been leveraging these capacities as and when required. But I think the opportunity that lies ahead is really to ensure that we minimize idle capacity across the group, and that's something that Peter will look into. So, Peter, over to you.
Okay, so can you share the timeline for Biocon Biologics IPO? Can one say that the IPO preparation is underway for the group?
I don't think I'll be able to give you any more optics in terms of the timelines than what I have shared in the past. I think we really need to look at certain triggers that will help us to, hit those, dates that we are looking at. clearly indicated that we certainly want to look at an IPO within 2 years. And a lot of it depends on many, many aspects, markets, the business triggers, and the urgency of doing such IPOs. So I think we will look at all these very carefully.
Right. And any update, Kiran, on insulin aspart approval timeline?
Well, right now I have nothing, firm to inform you, but I just hope that we will get this approval hopefully very soon. So that's all I can say. But it's at this stage. It's all I can say is it's hope, not I don't have any clear optics on whether this is going to happen.
All right. And any guidance when Biocon can expect to launch the biosimilar aflibercept in the US? And will Biocon get the interchangeability?
Look, these are questions that are better answered a few months down the line. Right now, all I can say is this: yes, we do, hope to be the first approved aflibercept. You saw the nod we got from the EU authorities, the European authorities, and we hope we get a nod from the US FDA too. But a lot depends on patent expiration dates. A lot depends on the discussions that we have with innovators, etc., etc.
Sure. Lastly, in the small molecule business, Kiran, when is the new facility at Visakhapatnam getting commercialized?
No, it is already in the commissioning stage, and we do hope to operationalize it by the end of this year. So I think you will start seeing exports taking place hopefully quite soon.
Right. Great to have you on the show. Thank you so much for taking the time out and joining in today, Kiran. Let's get back to our conversation, and Dipan